Picture victory.
Oh, are you okay?
Excuse me.
Are you okay?
Can't breathe. For real, I can't breathe.
Say hi.
Vanessa, if you're eating, don't lay down. You might throw up. Last time I did. But I did throw up.
Say hi. Vanessa. Hi.
Are you gonna buy a prize? Okay, when it's gonna be done?
It doesn't matter what time you want to finish it.
When is
Good?
Vanessa gonna finish? Huh?
Why are you bringing your food?
She wants to eat that.
What, eat with us?
Vanessa!
Ah, it's gonna fall.
Oh no, I forgot you.
Bring your chair.
Oh boy.
Bring your chair.
Hurry, I had to clean the dishes.
Hi.
Hi, Abby. Abby, I'm right here. Abby, go here. Look, Abby.
Yeah.
Go fall.
Good ball. Oh, that's cool.
Oh, this is my photo.
Eat your food.
See the difference?
What's that?
Abby, look, it's big,
Small.
small, and big. Uh-oh, go back out. I did a bottle.
Vanessa. Hmm.
I'll be right there. Never mind.
Never mind, Ati.
Abby's bottle right out. Abby's bottle big.
Hi. Vanessa. Hi.
I'm right
here. Hi, Vanessa. Hi.
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 Oh, you want to do that again? Let's do it again. Yes? We'll just do it again.
Wrong way. The other way.
Whoa. Oh my god, no, I'm scared. I'm fat.
What the heck?
Hey, I was looking for my jello.
No, don't put it there. Look at, she drew on me. Bless you.
Right here. You know, look at Abby.
She's cleaning. Vanessa, you know how to clean? SpongeBob. Vanessa, you know how to clean? No. No. Don't put it on the floor. Don't put your stuff on the floor. Eat your food.
Abby, look it.
Oh,
Oh, I had to go there.
it's gonna fall.
No,
No.
Got book.
Oh, Vanessa. What's your name? What's your name?
Look out.
Oh,
Hurry, I
voila.
had to fix it in here. Careful, but
Oh.
come on.
Okay, hold on.
Okay, I will clean mine.
What's your name?
My name is
Huh?
myself.
How old are you?
Oh my
Can I see? How old are you now? Show it with your hand. Vanessa, show it with your hand. Like this. This. How old are you? Say bye. Say bye.
Oh my god. Oh my god. Why I have to do my chores?
Your chores?
Yeah.
The heck, Vanessa? Vanessa, you're weird. Dude! Don't. Here, gimme. No, don't wipe it on yourself. No, you're not gonna use that one.
What?
Put this away, throw it away. Put it there.
Okay. Right there?
Yeah, there.
This is fun.
Thank you. Hi, Vanessa. Are you done? Are you done? Are you done? Are you done? Hi. Are you done? Want some more? No more? More.
Didn't tell me.
Oh. It's in his stomach.
Oh, my God.
Yeah. Show it to your thing. Like that, like that.
No, not that.
Oh. Wow. 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 Superman.
Oh, man.
What are you doing?